It's 10 p.m. You promise yourself you'll go to bed, but instead, you're staring at a screen, endlessly scrolling. You feel that familiar wave of regret and promise yourself, okay, tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow is never different, is it? Either when cycle of feeling motivated, then slipping, then feeling guilty and expect. Let's break that cycle right now. If you've tried to use more discipline to break a habit, you were set up to fail. Because willpower isn't the hero in this story, it's the first victim. The real enemy isn't your motivation, it's your environment and your autopilot. But today, we're taking the controls back. By the end of this short video, you'll have a 3-step system to dismantle any bad habit for good. Step 1 is called Rig the Game. The idea is simple. Your environment is secretly making decisions for you. You don't decide to check your phone, the notification on your desk triggers you. You don't decide to eat junk food, the cookies on the counter call to you. So, let's rig the game in your favor. The goal is to make your bad habits difficult and your good habits unavoidable. Want to stop scrolling at night? Don't just put your phone down. Leave your charger in the kitchen. Make it an effort to go get it. Friction is your friend. Want to work out in the morning? Put your workout clothes right next to your bed before you go to sleep. Make it the easiest possible choice. You are engineering your own success. But what about the urges that come from inside your own head? You can't just put your brain in another room, or can you? Step 2 is for managing your mind. It's called Become the Watcher. You can't stop an urge from popping into your head. Fighting it just makes it stronger. So instead of fighting, we're going to watch. When that craving hits, your only job is to notice it and name it, without any judgment. Just say to yourself, "Oh, there's the urge to procrastinate." When you do this, you create distance. You realize the urge is just a faulty signal from your brain. It is not a command. You are the watcher, not the feeling. If you just watch it like a cloud in the sky, it will lose its power and fade away on its own. And that brings us to the final, most important part. Step 3 is find a better tool. Every bad habit you have isn't a weakness. It's just a bad tool you're using to solve a real problem, like boredom or stress. The secret is to replace that bad tool with a better one. First, identify the real problem. Ask yourself, what am I really feeling right now? Am I bored? Am I stressed? Once you know the problem, choose a better tool. If you're bored, instead of scrolling, your new tool could be a 5-minute language lesson on an app. If you're stressed, instead of stress eating, your new tool could be a quick walk outside. You're not just quitting a bad habit, you are upgrading it. So there you have it. Rig the game, become the watcher, and find a better tool. But information is useless without action, direct with a serious and sincere tone. So I am leaving you with a simple 24-hour challenge. First, pick one habit. Don't overwhelm yourself, just one. Second, apply one step, not all 3, just one. And third, start today. Prove to yourself that you have the power to make a change. It starts with one small, deliberate action.